This is a clip from my previous video where I repaired this shaver by removing the hair that had shorted out the on-off switch. I reassembled the shaver and it had been working fine, although I did not continue to use it since it would now serve as a backup for when my other shaver goes bad. Coincidentally, a viewer commented with a request for help since he had followed the video but was still unable to get his shaver working. I decided to dismantle the shaver again, hoping I could find anything else that might help him. In doing so, I found that now the shaver was not working again. I didn't expect that I'd be repairing this shaver when I decided to take it apart to help a viewer, but it's a mixed blessing. Finding out that the shaver needs repairs now is a lot better than sometime in the future when I may be half-shaven, holding a dead shaver, and expecting this one to be a working backup. What you're looking at here is the already repaired shaver that I'll show you what I went through to troubleshoot, test, and repair what I'm sure was the actual problem. It's interesting that this shaver was working even when I tested it straight out of storage. Just the extra handling from taking it apart was all it needed to fail. The power cord reinforcement shown here was the showstopper. Before cutting it off, it was part of the continuous power cord and fit right into the slot where the cord exits the shaver. When unraveling the cord and on-off switch from the shaver to investigate other options for the viewer to investigate on his shaver, that's when I plugged the power cord in for more testing and found the shaver no longer worked. In fidgeting with the cord, power loss seemed to be related to the cord reinforcement, which is why that section of cord was removed. To check the cord reinforcement to confirm it is the source of the problem, I'm going to check it for continuity. I'll use my multimeter to check the positive and negative sides of the cord to see if each side has a continuous line from one end where it's cut to the other end. To repair the power cord from where the reinforcement was cut from, I soldered the exposed matching wire ends together. After soldering, I covered the bare wire with shrink tubing. Luckily, there's enough space in the shaver to hide the repaired section of cord. I'll reassemble the shaver, hopefully for the last time. I'm impressed by how simple this shaver is constructed. It's basically a motor with an offset spindle connected to a switch that connects it to 120 volt AC power. I don't remember exactly when I got it, but I've owned this shaver at least 10 years and I feel its simple construction is the reason it's lasted so long. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section down below. That's all I have for now and I will catch you in the next video.